If you want to use Link to Windows on Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now, once you open Settings, then we're gonna choose Device Connect, and then over here we're gonna choose PC. Now, of course, we have the instruction to use O+ Connect, but instead, if you want to use Link to Windows, you just have to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have Connect to Windows in this place. And there we go, we have jumped to Link to Windows. Of course, you will have to sign into the Microsoft account in order to be able to use it. You can also sign in using the QR code on your PC. So what you need to do is you need to use the Phone Link app, which you should have on your Windows. It should be pre-installed. Over here, of course, you want to choose Android, and you will generate the QR code that, of course, you can scan by using the QR code over here, and of course, then you can scan it and follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on your computer and your phone. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.